What's the meaning of combo? Combo. Combo.
Combo. Combo. The term combo typically refers to a combination or sequence of moves, actions, or items that are performed together in a coordinated manner. In various contexts such as music, games, sports, and food, combos often aim to achieve a greater impact, efficiency, or enjoyment than individual components alone. For example, a musician might play a guitar solo with multiple riffs and techniques in a combo, a gamer might execute a series of attacks in a fighting game combo, and a chef might create a dish with complementary flavors and textures in a combo.